Good morning. In this video, I will tell you about the type of set. You know what is set? Set is well-defined collection. In previous lecture, I was explained about how you represent the set. Now, in this video, we learn the type of set. The first type is empty set. Empty set are those sets which have no element. Example: a equal to x such that x square equal to minus 2, x belongs to R. There is no any real number which is square is minus 2. So in this set is written in the set vector form. There is no element. So we can write 5. That is what? That is, you can say that in curly bracket there is no element. This is 5. And second one is singleton set. Singleton sets are those sets which have only one element. For example, a equal to 2. This type of set where there is only one element is called singleton set. Third set is finite set. For example, a equal to a, e, I, o and u. That is, finite sets are those sets whose elements we can count, and the numbers is called cardinal number. For example, cardinal number of set A. This is denoted by NA, or this is equal to 5. If anybody asks you what is cardinal number of a set, you can say that the numbers of element is called cardinal number of that set. Here you see that there are 5 elements: A, E, I, O and E. A, E, I, O and U. There are 5 elements. So we write here cardinal number of set A. This is equal to NA. N is number of element in set A. This is equal to 5. Infinite numbers are those numbers. There are infinite number of elements. We cannot count it. For example, set of natural number, set of whole number, set of integers, set of real number, set of rational number, set of complex number. In these sets, we cannot count how many elements are there. So this is the examples of infinite set. That is, in a finite set we can only get the cardinal number. There is no cardinal number exists. Fifth is equal set. Suppose that you have two sets A and B. If you have two sets A and B, if NA equal to NB and elements of A and B, set A and set B are same, दोनों के एलिमेंट्स भी क्या होना चाहिए? सेम होना चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 2, 3, 1. We just write it here. So both of the set here NA equal to NB and all the elements are same. All the elements are same. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Elements are same. It means cardinal number of are same and x belongs to A as well as x belongs to B. Both are same. Now the equivalent set. Let A and B are two sets. If NA equal to NB, NA equal to NB, we can say that both are the equivalent set. Then what is the difference between equal set and equivalent set? All the equal sets are called equivalent set. All the equal sets are called equivalent set, but not necessary. Every equivalent set is equal set. For example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to A, B, C. Here NA equal to NB. It means in equivalent set you have to just check the cardinal number. If both sets have the same cardinal number, then we can say that the given sets are equivalent set. Whereas in equal set, cardinal number should be equal and elements should be same. So this is the condition for equal set and equivalent set. Thanks.